Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Thank you, Sunday Dawn, for hosting this. And all the other ladies that do the Tiny Tidy Tuesdays. I guess what I'm doing. David's brought home some groceries. And I've taken stuff out of the fridge. It's all on the counter. David's over here sorting out the meat. Putting it in bags. And I'm cleaning out the fridge. So far I got the shelves all wiped off. Oops, take you right inside. So far I got the shelves all wiped off. This fridge is in an awkward place between the pantry and the wall. So you have to pull it out so you can open the doors enough to get the drawers out. So it's kind of a big tiny tidy, but it'll feel nice to get that done and get some fresh food in there. I got these shelves cleaned and stuff put back in the fridge. And I've got the vegetable and the fruit drawer I'm going to clean out and put stuff in there. Well, we got the kitchen all done. David got the meat all packed and put away in the freezer. And we got the kitchen all tidied up, cupboards all cleared off, all the food. And I got my fridge all nicely wiped out and clean and full. So I guess now all we gotta have to do is eat. So that's my tiny tidy for this Tuesday. Got my fridge cleaned out nice, which is good. And the counters are cleaned off. Have a few dishes in my sink, but that's okay. We'll get those done. And we've got meat. Some in this freezer and some in the freezer downstairs. So it's all set for probably another 3 weeks of eating. Another tiny tidy was we took the bigger knives out of here, made more room for silverware and stuff. So it's better. We're going to get a new one of these because this one doesn't work very good. It's like a basket. So it's pretty good. Yes, we've got the drawer organized and we've got a new silverware storage. So that drawer is done. Looks pretty good. And Dave has all his knives in this drawer, which is working well. I'd like to thank Sunday Dawn for hosting this Tiny Tidy Tuesday as usual, and encourage you all to watch everybody else's Tiny Tidy, and the playlist will be in my comments as usual. And I hope you enjoyed this little clean and tiny tidy. And we'll see you all next week. Or if you want to watch more of my videos, I put one up on Sunday. This is a great second-hand consignment store that I went to in Cranbrook. So that's that video. And of course Thursday, I'm going to have another fairy garden Thursday. And I finished my fairy garden for the seniors, for putting up the seniors, and I think you might enjoy seeing how that fairy garden turned out. Anyhow, thanks again, Sunday Dawn, and thank you all, the Tiny Tidy ladies, for watching and liking my videos. I am going to enjoy watching all your videos. And I'm going to make popcorn when I watch them this time. Okay, thanks again. See you soon. Bye.